Hey, so welcome back everybody to North Fork Hollow. This is Derek, and it's a Saturday morning. We're heading down to dig some shale out. Down we have a little corner spot where we dig shale out. Not a whole lot, and it's not real great shale, but again, the neighbor wants to use some for putting it on the road. So Adam, he's got a baseball game later on this morning, so we only got a little bit of time coming out here first thing in the morning. We only got a little bit of time to dig some shale out for the neighbor, and I don't know if he's gonna. What his plan is, if he's going to scoop some up and take down to the road. But we're going to use the backhoe and see what we can dig out. So come along with us. Alright, so show you guys what we got going on here. This is a shale pit kind of thing that I've been digging out of a little bit. I dug out to make some temporary roads before we built. It was probably 3 or 4 years ago. Just started digging some of it out. Just got to the point where I couldn't dig anymore with my backhoe. Actually, up in here, there's a couple rocks that are hanging out over. So we're only going to dig a little bit out of this and then we're going to be done. Just some of this loose stuff that's falling down to the bottom. It's just we need to have a big machine in here if we're going to do a whole lot else. But my backhoe just doesn't have the power to dig the shale out, and really it's not that good a shale. There is some decent shale right in here, but like you can see coming down here, there's just a lot of dirt in it. But for what we're doing for on the road, filling in some of the big holes, it seems to work all right. It's free material, so we're not going to complain about that. So set up here and see maybe we can just dig a little bit more. I thought I'd let Adam run the backhoe a little bit, so here he is. This is Adam's first time running the backhoe. Getting used to this. We're just at idle, that's why you can hear the tractors trying to stall out a little bit. Plus he's trying to take a really big scoop. Yep, there you go, now try to. Yep, right there, now try to scoop it. Alright, so that's about it for today. So the neighbor did stop. He said he's going to haul some other stone. He's not going to fill anything in. So we just dug some of this out, loosened it up a little bit. Then whenever we want to load the trailer and go down and fix the road, we can do that. If we want to, I got a couple other trails or roads that I want to build up at the house. So at least the material's dug out and loosened up. So Adam, he got a little chance to run the controls a little bit. That's the first time he's run the backhoe. So take a look and see how that looks. It's a little slower for him, but he'll learn. He's probably better than I was when I started. So, but thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you in the next one.